With cyber threats growing more sophisticated by the day, protecting digital environments has never been more critical. That's where the Certified Network Defender, or CND certification comes in. CND is more than just a certification. It's a globally recognized credential that proves your expertise in network security. Whether you're starting out or aiming to level up, CND gives you a powerful edge in the cybersecurity job market. Better job opportunities, higher earning potential, industry-wide recognition. The training is hands-on and practical, covering everything from proactive defense strategies to real-world simulations, preparing you to defend organizations before the attack even begins. CND certified professionals are equipped to design secure networks, meet compliance requirements, and lead effective incident responses. Stay ahead with the latest trends, tools, and practices in network defense. Build a solid foundation for advanced cybersecurity roles and certifications. Ready to take the next step in your cybersecurity journey? Get CND certified with SysCare Professional IT Training.